Okay, we continue with fractions and the use of LaTeX. Earlier we had done sliders with A and B and showing how we use LaTeX to represent A over B, the fraction A over B. Now let's do some operations with our fractions, and we go to the input bar, and let's say we type R is equal to A divided by B. I press the enter key, and if you notice in the algebra view we have R is equal to 0.67. Now I want to have 0.67 shown as a fraction, especially a fraction in its lowest terms. So I type in the input bar fraction text, and in the square brackets I type R and I press enter, and if you notice on screen 2/3 comes up. So I can have 4/6, and I go to my insert text, and all I need is the equal sign. I type equal, press OK, and I have 4/6 is equal to 2/3. Now if we continue to experiment, if we change the slider 5 to 5, we have 5/6 is equal to 5/6. 6 over 6, if you notice now it's equal to 1. And if I go to 7, it's 7 over 6, and the fraction text is giving me the simplified form of the fractions that I'm working with. Same happens if I work with the denominator, which is B, and the fraction text is giving me the simplified form. So that's the additional use of sliders, working with fractions and introducing LaTeX to write fractions, and introducing fraction text that where we do our calculations and the result is in decimal form, fraction text gives us the simplified fraction form. Go ahead and try to create 4 sliders, A, B, C, and D, and have A over B as one fraction and C over D as one fraction. Work out R is equal to A over B and P is equal to C over D. Insert text using LaTeX and use fraction text to show A over B in simplified form and C over D in simplified form.